Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we will be taking a look at this YOOBAO M4 Pro 10,000 mAh power bank. So we have a micro USB cable right here, user manual, and our actual M4 Pro power bank right here. So here is our YOOBAO M4 Pro 10,000 mAh power bank right here. This measures 3.93 inches in height, 3.25 inches in width, and 0.9 inches in thickness. And in terms of weight, this YOOBAO M4 Pro weighs 242 grams. So this power bank right here packs a punch of power using 10,000 mAh inside of it, as you can see right there. So on the side right here, you will see our power button. So if you press on this, that is our digital display right there. So this is one of the advantages of this YOOBAO M4 Pro. You will actually see how much juice you have left on your power bank, and you don't have to guess. It also features dual input in terms of charging the power bank. So there's a micro USB input on the side right here, and there's a lightning input on the middle right there. So you can use a lightning cable or a micro USB cable to charge our power bank right here. Also, it features dual output as well. So that's out 1 right there and out number 2. So these outputs right here uses normal USB interface right there. The max input and output power of this power bank is 5 volts to 8. This power bank came with a micro USB cable right here, which you can use to charge our power bank on the side right there. You can also, if you have a lightning cable around, you can also charge it using the lightning cable input on the middle of the 2 outputs right there. So based on our testing, so there you go. So that's the length of time you need in terms of charging our YOOBAO M4 Pro from 0 to 100%. So based on that test, we used a lightning cable and a 10-watt USB power adapter in charging for that test right there. So as you can see, we can use the micro USB right here on the side. Right there. And we can also use a lightning cable right here on the middle of the outputs, right? So there. But remember to just choose one when charging the power bank. You cannot use both at the same time. That would not work, and that is not logical. So you have to choose one, whichever you want to use, a micro USB cable or a lightning cable right here. For an example of how much power our M4 Pro 10,000 mAh power bank right here produces, this can charge your iPhone 7 3.5 times, a Samsung S7 2.3 times. For a somewhat larger Nexus 6P, it can charge that specific device twice. Plus, that is really a cute design right there. Plus, the color is really subtle. So there you go, guys. This is the YOOBAO M4 Pro 10,000 milliamp per hour dual input, dual output power bank right here. If you want to check this one out, I will leave a link on our video description. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of this YOOBAO M4 Pro 10,000 milliamp per hour power bank right here. And remember, you can always leave your comments and inquiries down below. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.